This one here, precision. For all you lot, probably the only one in the world. Motorcycle, the horizontal valves. If you look at the top, the valves don't go up down like that or down like that. They go sideways. So I bought that at Netley Marsh in the spring, I think, really. So couldn't believe it. Horizontal valves and no clutch, which makes riding quite exciting. You have 2 gears here. That's top gear there, bottom gear that side. So it's a crash box. So you wouldn't want to be riding in traffic because it could get exciting. So, but quite interesting. Steve Griffiths here. He's a real international entrepreneur, and he bought this rolling chassis and engine in value money 10 years ago. And how it got there, it was a monster collection of stuff. So it originally came from Northern Ireland Ballymoney. So there we go. Design-wise, quite. You can imagine the cam's down here. That's the pivot for the rocker that goes like that. But if you've got the timing wrong, you've got to pull all the engine apart. So if you wanted to change the timing on that, it would be a 2-day job. You'd have to do the engine out and the frame, split it, all the rest of it. But when we built it, we started the engine on the bench, ran on the bench before we put it in. Because Miller's lazy, he didn't want to build it twice, you see. So there you go. The old disc type early brakes, belt drive, Druid front forks, nice little period seat they've got on it, Brooks seat, which is quite nice. So there we go. We've ridden it quite a bit, done a bit of testing on it. So nearly ready, nearly finished. So there you go. 1910, before the First World War. 1910. So what does that make it? 100 odd years old or something. Go on, quick.
115.
100, there you go, 115. Right. So this is the debris of the bond. The bonds. That's to give you some idea. Can you take that down to the dentist and get some more teeth on it? So we had to make a new one up. And so this is 1949-50. A bomb. When I was a little boy at school, I would give him a right arm for one of these. I thought it was magic. After the First World War, there was lots of aluminium about, all aluminium. And these were the forerunner of the Bond car. They used Villiers engines. They used Villiers engines in the Bond car. This 3-speed Villiers 80. This is the F2 engine, which is 98 cc, 2-speed gearbox, and you've got a clutch on this one. So I was riding it yesterday. It rides quite well, and made all this lot up here. When I worked with aerials, I was in the fabrication department, so I got a fair idea how to make stuff up, you know. But I'll give some of you gentlemen a bit of a clue. You get your notebook out, boy. See, there's not much point in going down to Halfords for a 1950 silencer, so you get a bit of tube like that, a couple of blank ends on it, a couple of bits of tube in there, set it on there, easy peasy. Yeah. Easy peasy, you see? So this is what it was like. Be prepared. So that's what it was like when we started.
Good God.
Oh my God.
Brave men turn pale and others flee to the woods. But very rare. I think we only made about 80 of them. And we were lucky to get one. It's a real museum piece, really. And early telescopic forks. For any of the technical men who know a bit about telescopic forks, I couldn't understand how there was no dampers in it, so this bit kept dropping out, so couldn't work it out. So I did a bit of research. So they put a long spring hooked up on the bottom and hooked up on the top, so that stops the bottom dropping out. So anyway, it seems to work, and so would you like to hear it running?
Cool. Oh, yeah.
Right. Let me get some equipment.
Let's get some rollers.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know anything about that?
That young lady can help me there because all you men are. Hold that up, girl.
That's it done. Makes you look like a nurse. Prince having a field day, eh?
Yeah.
I need my goggles to see what's happening. Is my goggles there?
Yeah, oh, will be, definitely. I'm used to
What size is the engine, sorry?
Sorry?
What size engine is it?
98cc.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Saves my first bite.
Yes, 1955.
Right, we shall have fuel. Right, we've got fuel. I use an electric starter, girl, because these old lads use kickstart. And you find that you want to get your notebooks out. Right. So there's the magic bit there, right? So what does that do? Right. You know what's coming, don't you?
No, it's
Do you know what's coming? Right. I need.
Steady.
Could you come over here and just give me a little bit of throttle? Come on in.
Alright.
Just a touch of throttle, right? There. Ready?
Go.
So the next time you lot are trying to start a bike at home, you know what to do, don't you? All you need is a little bit of square tube and electric drill. It's all quite so that's the secret to success. Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
wind back on this. Wind on the gateway. Wind when you go past the gateway. Not the side.
Fair we are, but
Not this.
so anyway, the colours come up quite nicely. So where's young Alan? He'll tell you all about the Villiers outside. His wonderful two-cylinder job.
Here he is, man.